Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the long harness thermistor assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the user control and air damper housing. Pull the freezer thermistor out of the hole in the liner and disconnect both the main wire harness and the secondary wire connector to fully remove the assembly. Peel back the tape securing the air damper assembly, then pry the assembly off of the housing. You can now detach the freezer thermistor from the air damper. Peel back the tape and detach the refrigerator thermistor from the housing. Cut the remaining tape as necessary to disconnect the thermistor wire connector and free the old component from the housing. Install the new long harness thermistor assembly by first securing the refrigerator thermistor in the housing. Align the freezer thermistor on the air damper, then reposition the damper assembly and replace the tape. Connect the wire connector to the user control and use tape to secure the wires. Reinstall the housing by reconnecting the main wire harness and the secondary wire connector. Insert the freezer thermistor into the hole in the liner. Fully position the housing and thread all of the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.